would like to say a verse, Joel 2 verses 25. So I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten, the crawling locust, the consuming locust, and the chewing locust, my great army which I sent among you. This promise reminds us that God will restore what has been lost and bring new blessings to our life, even after times of great hardships. Trust in His power to heal and renew every area of our life. One example I want to see is Job's life. He was a very wealthy man, but then God let Satan test him, and he lost all of his wealth, he lost his health, he lost his children, he lost his family, but God restored him twice-fold. So even in the times of hardships, just believe in God and He will do great things in your life. Amen.